Let me ask you something. How many days do you think you could last without water in your home? For most of us, that answer is terrifyingly short. I didn't really know until my family faced it for real. It started like any other week. Then a massive storm hit, the local water main broke, and suddenly we were cut off. Zero warning. No water for anything, not even to drink. The panic set in almost instantly. We scrambled for bottled water, but the stores were empty. Our neighbors were desperate too. That fear, that helplessness, no one should have to feel it. Here's what most people don't realize. Water shortages aren't some far-off post-apocalyptic scenario. They're happening right now, in cities and towns all over the world. Climate change, outdated infrastructure, government rationing. The risk is real and growing every day, and it's not just about thirst. Water is life. Without it, everything falls apart. Your health, your hygiene, even your security. But here's what changed everything for me. During the crisis, I discovered a way to take control, something most people don't even know exists. A simple system that lets you make your own clean water at home whenever you need it. For pennies a day. It's called the Aqua Tower System. This isn't some giant, expensive machine. It's a practical, easy-to-build blueprint that anyone can follow. With a few common parts and clear instructions, you can set up your own home oasis, pulling water right out of the air day after day. No pipes, no wells, no big bills or complicated tech. We built our Aqua Tower in one afternoon and haven't worried about water since. Imagine always having clean water on demand, no matter what happens outside your door. Not only did it save us during the storm, it's cutting our water bills too. And the peace of mind? That's priceless. If you want to protect your family, if you want to be prepared before disaster strikes, check out the link in the description below or click on the top comment I've pinned right under this video. You'll get instant access to the complete Aqua Tower system. Easy blueprints, step-by-step videos, and unlimited support to help you build your own endless water supply. Don't wait for the next emergency. Take control of your water today. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. Like and subscribe if you care about true independence, and share this with anyone who needs to know how to survive the next water crisis.